Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and hit the big thumbs up. So today, I'm going to do a role play. AMNSE, you know that guys. Section E, but it's gonna be my own version. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start. Ito si JJ, main character, one of the main characters. Let's start. First day of school. I can do this. Excuse me. Alam niyo po ba kung saan to? Section E? Ew. Anong ew? Alis nga ako nag-aaral. Kaya nga ata hindi nag-aaral eh. Go to the third floor. Oh, salamat. By the way, guys, ito ang aking version. This is my own version. This is my own version. So yeah, you can. This building is also my own version too. So yeah. Ano naman ang pwedeng masama dito sa section E? Take that back. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Dito po ba ang section E? No. Go back to the first floor. Sabi po kasi, the are you deaf? Leave. So, naman. Ay, naku. Baka dito naman. Ayun. Oh, guys, may bago estudyante. Hi, I'm Rocky, President of Section C. Section C po? Yes. Ang kala ko section E. Kung ba sa pinakataas, third floor po ang section. Sabi kasi dito eh. Sige, thank you. Naku naman, ang kakainis. Ito na naman tayo. Our class is our new student. Let's go to Mariam. Teacher now. As president, do you have any question about the new transfer? Siya pala ang Vice President, any questions? Are you still single? Mr. Class President, please. Sabi ni Sir, choose an appropriate question. Baka mababa lang ang IQ mo. Eh di ito, totoong question. Kailan ka mawawala sa section mo? Ba't ikaw, kailan ka mawawala sa mundo? Ba't di ikaw muna? Because I'm the one that's gonna make you disappear from this world. Ooh. Enough, both of you. JJ, take a seat. Wait lang guys, may natawag sa phone ko. papel. Okay, class. It's dismissed. Thank you. So guys, this is where I'm gonna end it. So this is part 1 of section E. Thank you. Bye.